Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Mexican cuisine in a kosher way. I'm Chef Naomi and today we have a very traditional dish. It's called chicken pozole and I'm gonna make it white. We have red and green, and today I'm gonna make very easy version of pozole. And if you're interested what pozole is, be my guest and stay with me to the end. The ingredients I'm going to be working with: one full head of garlic, one onion, three avocado leaves, and those are checked and clean, four small bay leaves, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of thyme, one teaspoon of cumin powder, and also marjoram. I'm using also 1 tablespoon of marjoram, and I have 1 can of white hominy, and star K is the shracha. Let's start putting all together. I'm gonna start with boiling my chicken. I'm using one whole chicken. And the reason that I'm using the whole chicken is because I need the fat, I need the bones, the flavor of the bones, and also the meat. After the pozole is ready, I'm gonna shred the meat. The next step is that we are going to rinse and drain the white hominy. Make sure you give it a good rinse. So at this point, I'm gonna put the onion and also the garlic. I'm gonna cook my chicken for about 10 minutes. So at this point, I'm gonna add. So at this point, I'm gonna add the corn. And I'm gonna give it a lot. And also, I'm gonna start adding some salt, the cumin, the thyme, the marjoram, oregano, and for sure the bay leaves and the avocado leaves. I'm gonna give it a stir, and about 20 minutes is gonna be, this pozole is gonna be ready. Now the pozole is ready and smells so delicious. This is the easiest version of pozole, and I hope that I can show you how to make the pozole from scratch, meaning how to cook the white hominy, and that will be in another time. Now I'm gonna put in some potatoes. The potatoes are already cooked. Okay, so now I'm gonna mash the potatoes. And once the potatoes are already mashed, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and I'm going to start making tacos dorados. So I'm going to start mixing the mashed potato with the salt. I'm warming up some tortillas. And Mission is the brand, and CRC is the ashgaha. Warm them a little bit. Once the tortilla is a little bit soft, and manageable, you're gonna remove from the fire. You're gonna grab a little bit of potato. You're gonna put it like we're gonna make a line, and then we're gonna roll it up. And we're gonna fry the tacos dorados. The way that we're gonna start frying the tacos dorados is that we're gonna hold the ending of the tortilla down. We're gonna fry some tacos dorados at the same time. So you want to start like flipping up the tacos. So now my tacos dorados has a beautiful goldish color. And I'm gonna remove it from the fire. This is the way that we garnish the pozole in Mexico. We use chopped onions, red radish, lettuce, lime, oregano, and for the spicy I'm using chile de árbol and stargaze de caja. We cannot miss the spicy, of course. And also avocado. I'm pretty sure the idea of putting the avocado and lettuce on the soup, it will be new for you, but this is the way that we eat the pozole. Thank you so much for watching me. This is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy this recipe the same way I enjoy making this video. And please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and I hope to see you in my next video. Hasta la próxima.